in Rajaghat area also. Everyone.
অক্সফোর্ড বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের কেলক কলেজে বক্তব্য দিচ্ছিলেন ভারতের পশ্চিমবঙ্গের মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। সব ঠিকঠাক চলছিল। হঠাৎ কনফারেন্স রুমে একদল ভারতীয় শিক্ষার্থী প্লাকার্ড তুলে দাঁড়ান। মমতার বক্তব্যের মাঝেই বারবার তাকে থামিয়ে প্রশ্ন করার চেষ্টা করেন তারা। শেষ পর্যন্ত কি হলো দেখুন।
I'm so happy that you welcome me. Thank you so much. I can't hear. Speak more loudly. Speak more loudly, please. I don't mind. Please raise your voice. This is a democracy. Please raise your voice. I listen. I will listen carefully. You know the case is sub judice and also the central government has taken over. It is not with us. Please don't do politics here. It is not a political state. That you can do it with me in my state, not here. And you know better than me, the crowdfunding and all.
Because when we come and ask you questions in Kolkata, your ministers say we will break your finger. Yeah, you're going to break your finger. What your ministers do in
I don't. This is absolutely you are lying.
What have you done in
brother? You don't do it.
Jodhpur University?
Don't do it, brother. Don't do it. I have a special affection for you. We love all of you, but don't try to make it into a political platform. If you want to make it a political platform, go to Bengal and tell your party to be more strong and more stable. To fight against the community. Don't fight with me. Just only one brother. Yes, I give you This is you, the year. This is you who want to kill me.
Nobody wants
I was about to die. This is
We know you are very good at doing drama.
This is not a drama platform. It's a platform where you have to allow the people to listen. Don't behave like this. Don't behave like this. It is a misbehaving. Instead of insulting me, you are insulting your own institution. Don't disrespect your institution. You can disrespect me, but you cannot disrespect your institution. I am humble. You cannot
should have some
disrespect.
for inviting a rape apologist like
I am so happy.
you. Kill away a rape apologist.
I am so happy.
ভারতের বাম ছাত্র সংগঠন স্টুডেন্টস ফেডারেশন অফ ইন্ডিয়ার যুক্তরাজ্য শাখার শিক্ষার্থীরা মমতাকে প্রশ্নবাণে বিদ্ধ করতে থাকলে মমতা তা সামাল দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করেন। তবে শেষ পর্যন্ত হই হট্টগোলে শেষ হয় মমতার বক্তৃতা।
I am for Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Islam. I am for all. I am for all. I am for unity. Mention only one caste. Mention all the castes.
মিলিনিয়ার ছড়াছড়ি দেশ জুড়ে, এটা শুধু ওয়ালটেনই পারে।